Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how to make a pen drive bootable in Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start. So this is my Windows 7 bootable ISO file. So I want to make my pen drive Windows 7 bootable. You can also use Windows 10 ISO file or Debian Linux file or any other ISO file. So in this tutorial I am using Windows 7 ISO file. So let's start. So this is my pen drive. So just open disk here. So here it is, and the process is pretty simple. Just go to your pen drive, just click on this icon, and here select the third option, that is restore disk image, and select your ISO file here, which is located in the desktop folder. Just open and just click on start restoring. Just enter here your password, and it will take some time depending upon the speed. So let's just wait for it to make our pen drive bootable. And after we have successfully make a pen drive bootable, I will also show you that how you can use that same pen drive for normal purpose, that is if your job is done, for example to install any operating system, then how you can use that pen drive for the normal purposes. So let's just wait for it to make a pen drive bootable. So this is one of the simplest way you can use. You can also use any third party softwares, but as disk is pre-installed in our Ubuntu operating system or any Debian related operating system, then there is no need for you to install any third party software. You can directly use a disk to make your pen drive bootable, and again to you can easily format your pen drive to use it as normal. So let's just wait for it to make a pen drive bootable. It will take 5 minutes. So as you can see here, 1 GB is done. So remember, you cannot use this pen drive normal directly. So you have to format this pen drive if you want have to use. I will also show you that how to format a pen drive. And the thing is that when you format a pen drive, then the partition of your pen drive also get deleted. So in some cases there might be a problem that your pen drive might not be detected in Linux file system. So I will also give a solution to that. That is not a problem. It's just that the when you format a pen drive, the partition gets deleted, and that's why the pen drive is not detected. So let's just wait for it. So 80% is over. It will take 2 minutes, and it's showing as less than a minute. 20 seconds and the disk will be restored, and successfully we can you can, if you want, you can install operating system using a pen drive. So as you can see, now our pen drive is bootable. So process is over. So this is a pen drive, and as you can see here, this is Windows 7 bootable pen drive. So now our pen drive is successfully bootable. Now I will show you that how you can use this pen drive as a normal pen drive. Now you cannot use this pen drive as a normal pen drive because this is a bootable media. So let's just open disk again. So this is a Windows 7 bootable media now, and we have to use this pen drive as a normal pen drive. So just click on format disk. Okay, so as you can see here, this is now a new pen drive. So just reinsert the pen drive again. So now I have reinserted. So as you can see here, the pen drive is not detected. So this is not a problem because the pen drive is not detected because we have deleted the partition here. When you format a pen drive, the partition gets deleted. So as you can see here, the free space is available. So solution is pretty simple. Just click on plus icon here and just click on next here. Just give a name here. You can give here pen drive and just click on create. So we have create a partition here. So our pen drive now will be detected. So again, just reinsert your pen drive. Okay, so I have reinserted my pen drive. So as you can see here, now my pen drive is detected. Previously, now my pen drive was not detected because the partition was deleted. So now my pen drive is successfully detected, and in this way you can simply create a bootable media, and you can, if you want, if your job is done, you have installed that operating system, then you can also use this pen drive as a normal pen drive for sharing data. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.